Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your QW33 smartwatch with your phone. The first thing we're going to be needing is the Fundo Health app. So I'm going to be going to Play Store to download it. So I'm going to search for Fundo Health, Fundo and Health. So you search for it. So it's the purple app here. So I'll click on it. So and I'll click on install. So the installation is going to take a while, so we're going to wait for it to install. So it's done downloading and it's installing now. Okay, the installation is complete. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open the app. Now, before we proceed, we would need to ensure that our QW33 smartwatch is turned on. I've turned on mine. If you don't know how to turn on your QW33 smartwatch, I've made a video on how to turn it on. And I'm also going to add a link to that video in the description of this video so you can learn how to turn it on. So the second thing is that we'll need to turn on our Bluetooth. So I'm going to swipe down and turn on my Bluetooth. So once that is done, you just click on done. You don't need to do anything. So once that is done, you click on I agree. So it's going to require some basic information from you. So I'm going to input my name. I'm a male, date of birth. Okay, okay, this is okay. Every other thing seems fine. So I just click on OK. The number of daily steps, 5,000 is fine for me. So I click on complete. So it's going to ask for permissions for notification. I will allow that. So once that is done, I'm now going to go to the third icon. So you can see it looks like a watch. So you click on it. So once you click on it, you click on add device. So you allow it. So it will search for the watch. So it has seen the QW33 smartwatch. So I click on it. So I click on while using the app. I click on allow, allow, allow. Okay. So it's asking for notification permission. I'll turn it on for Fundo Health and I'll click on allow. I'll do go back. I'll click on OK. So it's asking to appear on top in case you need to look for your phone. So you click on OK and you go back. Okay. So this last one is just a check to check if it is properly set up. So it said that my phone is a Samsung phone, and that's correct. However, if your phone is maybe a Xiaomi phone or it's not Samsung and it shows other than Xiaomi, the actual name of your phone, or maybe Huawei, it shows other than the name of your phone, you will need to change it here. You just click on this and you pick the one that is in the list. If it's not in the list, you click on other, so and you fix it. So but for me, I'm all set, so I can always go back and I'll click on OK. So as you can see, my device has been set up, so and it has been successfully connected. You can see connected here, connected. So that's all for today. I'm going to be making other videos on how to use practically every function in your QW33 smartwatch, and I'm going to be sending more videos like that in the future. Do have a nice day.